Here's how to become a seller on Temu. It's quite easy and simple, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First step is to open Chrome browser and type here Temu Seller Center and click on this link. These are the list for terms and conditions to become a seller on Temu. Make sure to read all of these. But I will told you some essential rules of Temu seller account. 1. Temu does not charge sellers for selling on their platform. 2. It does have restrictions on listing certain products. 3. Sellers who violate Temu's policies may risk being banned from the platform. Fortunately, Temu offers a sales center where sellers can easily withdraw their earnings. Overall, Temu provides a great opportunity for sellers to reach a wider audience and earn a profit from their products. Then, click on Agree. Now this is the form that you must fill to become a seller. First of all, write your own name instead of your shop name. So I type my name, Usama. Now type your email, make sure your email is complete, and you are able to receive notification on this email. Next, you can type invite code. It's mean if you have any referral code you can put here. This is optional. If you don't have code, you can skip this step. Next, you have to set your strong password and never share your password with anyone. Next step is about your shop name. Make sure your shop name is unique and easy to remember for the people so they can visit your shop again and again. So, for example, I type Zawa. Next step is to type your email to manage your shop. Now you have to submit your personal ID card for verification. Next is to type your contact number and your complete address. Then click on Register Your Shop. After the approval, your shop will be live and you can list your product. At the end, make sure to follow all terms and conditions, return policy, support policy, and privacy policy.